Welcome back, cybersecurity pros. If you're already working in the field, maybe as a pentester, SOC analyst, red teamer, or OSCP student, you don't need the basics. You need a step-by-step strategy to pass CEH v13 with minimum effort and maximum result. This guide is laser-focused for experts who want to crush CEH fast. Let's go. Step 1. Understand the exam objective and format. CEH v13 is a 125-question multiple-choice exam, not a hands-on test, unless you do the practical. You get 4 hours. As an expert, your goal is simple: map your real-world knowledge to EC Council's theory-based structure, understand CEH's 5-phase attack model: reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, covering tracks. Skim the CEH exam blueprint and note unfamiliar areas like cloud, mobile, IoT, and compliance. Get familiar with their preferred terminology, especially in definitions and classifications. Step 2. Match your tools to the exam syllabus. You already use tools like MAP, Burp Suite, Metasploit, John the Ripper, Nikto, Wireshark, SQL Map, Aircracking. But CEH doesn't test deep exploitation. It tests recognition and correct categorization, so take the tools you know and connect them to the specific attack stages in CEH's framework. Step 3. Focus on weak zones, especially compliance and cloud. Most experts trip up not on tech, but on non-technical domains like GDPR, HIPAA, PCI-DSS. Risk assessment frameworks: ISO 27001, NIST, COBIT. Cloud-based attacks: IAM misconfig, S3 buckets, etc. IoT protocols and mobile device threats. Spend 2 to 3 days patching these gaps. You can skim the CEH all-in-one book or use targeted videos on YouTube for these zones. Tip: don't go deep. Just understand how CEH expects you to label and define these areas. Step 4. Take high-quality practice tests. CEH is predictable once you see how it frames questions. That's why practice tests are the most efficient prep. Use platforms like Boson, closest to real exam logic. Exam topics: community-reviewed explanations. Official EC Council mocks, good for exam-style conditioning. Take 2 to 3 full mock exams under timed conditions. Focus on eliminating wrong answers quickly. Recognizing EC Council's phrasing. Spotting traps in compliance and terminology. If you score 80% plus consistently, you're good to go. Step 5. Prepare for CEH Practical. If you're doing CEH Practical, it's a 6-hour, hands-on lab exam. It involves real attacks like scanning, exploiting vulnerable machines, maintaining access, reporting. Practice on TryHackMe, Hack the Box, or VulnHub. Build a mini-lab using Kali plus vulnerable VMs like DDWA or Metasploitable. This is your playground. There you go, your expert-level, step-by-step CEH v13 strategy. If you've been in the field, this cert shouldn't take more than 7 to 10 days of focused prep. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want a follow-up episode on CEH Practical Labs or a CEH versus OSCP breakdown.